In Excel, the time format is by default a decimal format. Now there is a function which is called as now. It returns the current date and time formatted as a date and time. So what is date? Date we know it is value and time is stored as a decimal number. So we'll say now, and so see this, the current time is 30th March 1923. That means it is in the 24 hours format. If I convert this into a number, you can see it is 43920.81. This 0.81 denotes the decimal number. The 0.81 of the day has passed. So as an example, let's say I write a number 30/30/2020 and 10:00. This means it is 10 a.m. on 30th March. What I do is, let's say I do it as 8 a.m. So we know that 8 a.m. means there are total of 24 hours in a day. 8 hours means it is 8 by 24 means 0.333. So the value of this will be, if I convert into the value, so you can see it is 43920.3333. Right? So that means the fraction is stored like this. So 8 by 10. So time is always a fraction. As a result, what happens? It is following a 24-day format. So the moment it 24-hour format, the moment it becomes 24-hour, it will become 1. That is how it computes. So we have seen a function now. Now let's see, from this now function we want to extract r. So there is a function r which will extract the r from it. So r will be 19 hour. And from this I want to extract minute. So this serial number will get the 25 minutes. From this, if I want to extract the second, I can use this and it will give me the second. So 8 seconds. So that is how it gave me those. And Excel will store internally like this: hour, minute and second. Note that it is changing because the now function is changing. That's why the seconds are all changing.